Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm sharing these delicious chicken wings with you guys. Let's dive into it. In my bowl, I just poured in chicken wings, washed and clean wings. Spice and season it up. Feel free to use any spices and seasonings of your choice if you are using my recipe. This recipe is so delicious. My kids really love it. And I want to appreciate you all. You guys are so amazing. Thank you for watching and sharing my videos, commenting and liking. You guys, mwah, send you all hugs and kisses. Thank you. Appreciate. So now I'm gonna cover and let it marinate for 30 minutes. Going to put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes, and that is it. Now I'm going to fry the wings. I just spray in some olive oil in my pot, add a little bit of butter, melt it together. Then I'm going to pour in the wings. And as that is busy frying, I'm gonna be rough blending peppers, onions, and just one tomato. I'm going to be enjoying this with dodo and white rice. That is it. See my chicken? Very little water just to loosen those deliciousness in my pot. I'll let it fry 2 minutes. Adding garlic and ginger paste. Put it together, add tomato paste to it. Little bit of tomato paste. Rough blended peppers and onions and 1 tomatoes. If you want a lot of sauce, you can add more tomatoes to it. If you want it very spicy, add pepper, because this food is for my kids. So I just add a little bit of spinach, let it cook 1 minute, then it's ready. And as that is busy, my dodo is almost ready as well. Dodo is ready, just bring them out. Rice is ready, so dinner is ready for my kids. So delicious. The chicken is just falling apart. The wings. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.